All right, it's opening day of regular season in the southern zone of Michigan. Me and Brad were up in this field yesterday scouting, and probably saying we've seen probably 500 to 600 geese up here. So it should be a great day. We do have other hunters out here in the field, so that's going to make it a little bit difficult for us, but we're going to see what happens. We kind of know everybody that's out here, so everybody kind of lets the birds work and decoy and hopefully get some shooting in. So stand by and see what happens.
Everything's still the same.
Shoot 'em!
Well, my best pair of jeans got holes in the knees, grease stains in a Copenhagen ring. My truck's too loud, and I still drink that cheap light beer. Some things ain't never gonna change, like a burning sundown on the plains. Stiff breeze still turns a windmill. The stars light up the midnight sky. Tornadoes and black clouds that make grain trucks on a dusty old highway. The kids are still dragging Maine every Friday night, and the old men talk about the good old days. I guess some things ain't never gonna change.
Shoot 'em, shoot 'em, shoot 'em, shoot 'em. Shoot 'em.
I drove my four-wheel drive to this six-string town while all of my buddies are settling down. I'm just doing the best I can at getting by. Well, the longer I'm gone, the more.
Well, welcome back for another week of our webisode edition here. We're in the stand, as you can see tonight. It's the 8th of October. We're getting this one out to you a little bit late, and I apologize for that, but this weekend was just jam-packed full of stuff. Goose hunting, deer hunting, duck hunting. We had an awesome weekend. And the woods is starting to light up too. We have pro staffers that they're seeing big buck movement during daylight, which is a little weird for this time, but there was a cold front move through, and that just set these deer off. They're acting like, you know, it's the end of October when it's just the beginning, so that's pretty cool. We're seeing a lot of sign in the woods. My woods, we walked in again today, and we smelled the dead deer on our way in here, so our trail cameras are so-so, but, you know, the farther, it seems like the farther west you get, more towards Allegan County, the better it gets, or the less dead deer you find. So we're still staying optimistic. A lot of the corn's coming off this week, and that should push some deer back into the woods. So we're gonna keep after it, and you know, come back next week, and maybe we'll get something killed by then. You're watching Country Boy Traditions.
Tornadoes and black clouds that make grain trucks on a dusty old highway. The kids are still dragging Maine every Friday night. Yeah, look at me talking about the good old days. I guess some things ain't never gonna change. Never gonna change. This Kansas boy's still the same.